How to create a video from a blog post in Pictory? Well, the main idea is to create a short version of the text of blog post. In Pictory, the AI can choose the highlights of the post so you don't have to read it all. Then choose videos to match the ideas from the post. This can be a short form video to promote the blog post or just make another way to read your post. Here's how to do it. Start by choosing the right post. Open your website and pick a not so long post so it will make the best out of it. Then go to Pictory. After you open your account, you have a page where you can choose which type of video you want to create. If you don't see it, open your project tab and you have there also a button that will take you to the creation page. Choose the option to create a video from a blog post. Now add the link to the blog post here and click on the button to create a video. It will take a few moments to read the post and choose the highlights. Then you are in the editor where you can edit only the text from the video. This is not the main editor where you edit your video. It is only for creating blog posts to a video. You can see on the left side the post and you can see that it has highlighted text in green. This is what you see on the right side. It separates the text into scenes so it will be easier to edit it afterwards. You can choose to add more highlighted text. It will insert it in between the scenes, depending on the text from the post. You can delete the whole thing or just a few words here and there. You can also change the position of the scenes to make your script for the video. On the top, you can also find a scene setting. Here you can choose to make auto-highlighted keywords. These are the green sentences from the blog post on the left side. The other option is to auto-visual selection. This is for the next step where you are going to edit the video. After you finish to create a script, now it is time to edit it in the main editor of Pictory. You can watch the full tutorial of Pictory to see how to use everything in the editor. But let's explore some of the features. On the side, you have a menu that you should follow the steps as they are because it is best if you don't want any trouble when you're creating the video. The next window is for the project editing tool, which you open from the side menu. On the right side, you have the main editor monitor with some more tools to edit the video. Starting with the steps on the left side. Story. This is a script of the video separate into scenes. Here you can edit the text, you can remove or add text, and you can connect the scenes. If you do that, the visuals will connect, and if you switch one video, it will switch on all the connected scenes. Next is the visuals. Here you can switch the video for everything. You can find videos from the library, texture if you only want some background for the text, and you can upload a video from another source like something you filmed or from other video stock website. The next tab is for recent videos you used. And lastly, you have the tab for liked video. The next step on the left menu is for audio. This is very important to create only after you are sure about the story, because if you change that after you created the voice, you will have to edit the length of the scenes more so it will be in the right duration. You can add background music here that you can search for. You can add voiceover. This is an AI voiceover. You have premium and standard voices depending on your subscription plan from Pictory. Next, you can upload the voiceover and music if you wish. You can also create voiceover directly into the video, but this is a tool on the main monitor. Like the visual, you have like tab for the music and voiceover you like. The last tab is for mixing the volume of the music and voiceover. It is very simple mixer. The voiceover will match the visuals and the length of the scenes using AI, and they do a good job with it. But if you will change the story, it will change also the duration, and then you have a mess that you need to edit. Next, the styles are saved in the library for subtitles on the video. If you want to add text that is not on the scene as text for the voiceover, then the next tab is for that. Then you have branding. This is for assets that you can use across all of the video you are going to create. Next, you can add elements like GIFs, emojis, and stickers. The last tab is for the format, which is something you should choose before you start editing. This is the editor. Now you can edit your video. After you finish, you can click on download and you will get all of the assets, audio, text, and video in separate files, so you can repurpose any of them in different media. Like and subscribe and watch this video next.